Welcome back to Newsnight, where we go above and beyond the headlines. First, the rising prices of food and now a possible threat to supply. The Agriculture Department has detected bird flu outbreaks in Bulacan and Pampanga. Stanley Gaheta tells us whether this will affect the supply of poultry products.
Duck racing is an all-year-round earner for 58-year-old Ramon Regalado of Kalumpit, Bulacan.
Araw-araw nangingitlog sila. Para sa akin madali kasi nandiyan ka lang, kumisita ka.
He says business has been good the past 10 years and so far, his duck farm has been bird flu free.
Ako, wala pa ako nakakitang nagkasakit . Sa alaga ko, alam mo na mamatay. Dasal lang. Huwag sana kami tamaan yung sakit na yun. Parang hindi pa ako naniniwala kasi wala pa yung mga ito ko, hindi mo nagkakaroon ganun.
But there's cause for concern. The Department of Agriculture says bird flu or avian influenza has been detected in some duck farms in Bulacan and quail farms in Pampanga. They say they are acting immediately to prevent its further spread. The Philippines has more than 20 hotspots at high risk for bird flu, as they are areas on the flight path of migratory birds, the most probable carriers of the virus that causes the disease.
Ang technical na meaning po ng outbreak ay hindi yan depende sa number ng cases. So kahit isa na kaso, outbreak po yan.
The Department of Agriculture has issued a Memorandum Circular Number 5 prescribing the guidelines on the local movements of domestic and wild birds and poultry products and byproducts during the avian influenza surveillance period. The policy regulates the movement of ducks, quails, and other poultry commodities in affected areas, particularly those coming from within the 1-kilometer quarantine area.
Ang nagmamanifest po rito, of course, ay yung respiratory sign yan. May mga sipon, matamlay yung manok. Andyan din po yung kanyang nervous sign na parang yung leg niya ay nababali, na parang siya ay umiikot. Ito naman pong virus na ito ay madaling mamatay. At namamatay ito sa init, sa ordinary disinfection.
Meanwhile, the Broilers Association said poultry products, which are confined with strict monitoring and security to ensure its freshness, are not affected by bird flu.
Yung biosecurity measures ng broiler industry, mataas na talaga yan. May disinfection yan, may interdiction measures ka. By the standards of the industry, wala na kami idadagdag .
The public is encouraged to report suspicious illnesses and behaviors of poultry animals, but authorities assure there's no need to worry for now.
Wala pong dapat ipangamba. Protektado pa po yung ating mga manok. Ito po yung mga 42-day-old na kinakain natin. At yung ating mga nangingitlog.
Stanley Gaheta, CNN Philippines.